I'll be showing you guys Total Idiots caught on camera. So if you guys do enjoy, please drop a like on this video. That's all I ask for. So enjoy guys, let's get straight into today's video. This driver forgets it's a zebra crossing and he stops just in time. This BMW driver thought it was a great idea to drive on the pavement and the curbs just to skip the traffic. This driver got stopped, but just look what he does to get away. This BMW driver didn't want to move, but she had no choice but to reverse, and when she did reverse, she reversed into a parked car. This driver thought he could overtake, but he forgot to check his blind spot. He was keep stopping in front of a truck to do an insurance scam, but later in the clip someone actually fell for it, but lucky enough the driver pulled over to let them know it's an insurance scam. Instead of paying the fine, the guy thought it was a great idea to try to drive away with his car being clamped. He turned too sharp, causing his backward to spin out and crash into the curb. This guy captures a BMW driver moments before it crashes. This driver drove on the wrong side of the road to skip all the traffic, but this van driver wasn't having any of it. This is another driver that hates traffic. Because this bus driver didn't let his car through, he drove in front of the bus to stop. Another insurance scam, a car drove in front of the car to stop. This driver goes in front of his truck just to reverse into it, then drives off. He forgot to use his brakes and he turns into a shop. This guy was speeding on a wet, snowy road, then he tried to fit between a car and a curb.
Пиздец, блядь. Ебанутый, что ли?
He was in a rush or road raging, and just look what he does to the car at the end.
Придурок, что ли, вообще?
He wasn't looking where he was going, taking the back end of the car off before stopping. This driver turns lanes, but he doesn't look what's in front of him, causing a crash. This driver pulls out in front of his car, almost causing a crash, but moments later he stopped and that ended up causing a crash.
Kankermogel. Kan ik niet rijden? Kerel! Kankermogel! Maak een foto van die gozer.
Mensen worden gewoon in elkaar geslagen in hun eigen huis en dat is gewoon heel erg ernstig. Nou, en dat soort dingen is het van zo dat gewoon keihard.
If you guys did enjoy today's video and you want to see more videos of myself, these are two videos you might like on the screen right now. These are two of my previous videos, so click on any one left or right. Enjoy guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.